Hello everyone, this is PewDiePie. Just kidding. Haha, I'm so funny. Today we are going to code a job searching bot. This bot will go to a specified URL for a keyword such as web developer in a given region on the Indeed website. It will then scrape the data of each job and send it to me via email every time a new job appears. The data scrapped will contain the title of the job, the company, location, salary, and link to apply. To enable this bot to run 24/7 on the cloud, we will host it on an Amazon AWS virtual machine that will act as a server. If you like this kind of content or want to save a kitten's life, subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. So there it is for the code. I hope you liked it. I will not show you how to host a virtual machine on AWS, because my explanation would be squirrel poop. So instead I left a link in the description to a video that I used and that will show you exactly how to do it. Don't worry, it is very simple. Now let me just show you that it works and wrap things up here. See ya.